So for this tutorial I'm using medium worsted yarn in orange, light orange, and 6.5mm crochet hook. I'm gonna start by chaining, making a slip knot and chaining 43. This is 43 completed. I'm gonna yarn over. In the third chain from the hook, I'm gonna make a double crochet. I'm gonna double crochet in every chain. So here I'm left with 2 stitches at the ends, and I'll finish double crochet. Now from the next row onwards it'll be the same repetitive row throughout the work until the end of your shawl. I'm gonna chain 2. Chaining 2 is to keep a straight line. In the very first stitch under the chain 2, I'm gonna make a double crochet. I'm gonna double crochet in every stitch. Till the end of the row. And this is what I'm gonna repeat for the entire work. And this is the last 2 stitches of row 2, and this is the last stitch. And we're gonna continue the same as I said before. Chain 2, double crochet in the first stitch and in every stitch. So here I have completed the shawl. I have done 91 rows of double crochet, and I'm gonna show you how to make the pockets. You can make it smaller or bigger if you want to add more rows. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna simply fold the edge in two, and then I'm gonna slip stitch. I'm gonna insert my hook inside both sides, and I'm gonna pull the yarn, and then I'm gonna slip stitch in every stitch till the end of the corner. I'm gonna continue the same till the end of the corner. And this is the last one, and I'm gonna fasten off afterwards. Secure the yarn and pull through. Oops. And I'm gonna hide the remaining thread. So I'm gonna do the same on the opposite side, the other side of the shawl. So this is so far how it looks like. And we're gonna come to the other side, facing the same, and we're gonna close the corners the same way we did with the first one. So I'm gonna take the yarn, oops, insert, pull through, chain one, and slip stitch in every stitch on both sides, slowly. and fasten off. Pull the yarn through, cut and hide. Can hide it here. And this is how both sides look like. This is how both sides look like. So this is the final look of the shawl with the pockets. Simple and easy to make. Double crochet stitch makes it very quick to finish. I have used 3 yarn balls for this in orange color, and it's 91 rows. As I have showed you the steps, nothing complicated at all. To know the measurement and everything else you need, refer to the written pattern linked in the description box. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. I really hope you like the tutorial and you'll try it. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.